three persons from Goa, basically from Panjim. They had travelled to Kasaragod in search of persons who are dealing in this demonetized, who are exchanging demonetized currency. Then these accused persons, they arranged for the currency. On 5th night, these three persons from Goa, okay, along with one of these accused, returned to Goa in the effort to exchange this 1 crore 48 lakhs in Goa into possibly the new notes. 6th, 7th and 8th also. 6th and 7th, they made efforts to get this exchange, but they could not succeed. Then what these three Goans said, I am also not disclosing the name because the investigation is still going. They said, we cannot exchange it, you take back the money to Kerala. That is when this accused, one of the accused who had accompanied them in the Fortuner vehicle to Goa, he called up his other person from there, and then they came. They came on 8th, 9th morning. They reached on 9th morning. They directly were called to Panjim, and in Panjim, they from the Fortuner they transferred that money into their vehicle. We do not know at which location. And 9th, they all 5 of them with the Kerala-based Swift vehicle and the money, they wanted to go back to Kerala.